Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and I'm so excited to show you the look that we're doing today. This is kind of Mermaid meets Boho. As you can see, I have like the most perfect hair model for this look with this like such rich color, like auburn red hair, and it's her natural hair color, which is amazing. So yeah, it's just like a very loose, kind of textured mermaid look. So I'm really excited to share this look with you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and let's get started.